Hi everyone! Welcome back to Kuya Tatag Waray-Waray lesson. Today's lesson covers basic Waray greetings. Let's get started. In Waray, the key word for greetings is maupay, which means good in English. Here are some examples of basic Waray greetings. Number 1, maupay na aga. In English, good morning. For example, ma'am, maupay na aga. Haada ta crush. In English, good morning ma'am. Is my crush there? Number 2, maupay na udto. In English, good noon. For example, maupay na udto love. Daw ikaw pinagutom ha. In English, good noon love. Don't let yourself get hungry, okay? Number 3, maupay na pulok. In English, good afternoon. For example, maupay na pulok love. Nanito ka na. In English, good afternoon love. Have you eaten lunch? Number 4, maupay na gabi. In English, good evening. For example, maupay na gabi crush, titi ka husay kala. In English, the evening crush, you're getting even more beautiful. In Waray-Waray, maupay serves as a greeting during fiestas and Christmas celebrations. For example, maupay na patron madam means happy fiesta madam, or maupay na Pasko sir means Merry Christmas sir. In Waray-Waray, showing respect to a homeowner often involves saying maupay and knocking before entering. For example, maupay, maupay, may tao. In English, hello, hello, is anyone there? Or is anybody home? And that's it for today's Waray-Waray lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning some basic greetings. Thanks for watching Kuya Tatag Waray-Waray lesson.